Hey, it's JK aka Walking One Way, and I'm gonna sing a Harana. Harana by Parokine Edgar. If you don't know what Harana is, the Harana is like a serenade to a girl, mainly to a girl, in which you would play outside and you will have the girl you will get the girl's attention by playing outside, and then sooner or later the parent would come. Either if if she likes you, they'll invite you in. If not, they'll throw water at your face. So it's crazy. You have to be like respectful, all that. But it's also something romantic. And I've never done harana before. Who knows? But I'm gonna play this song because I like this song, and I'm gonna try and keep it proper by playing on a tie. What's that? Nice to meet you. Okay, okay. Let's see. Let's see if we can play this. Harana by Perokin Edgar, covered by J King, aka Walker One Way. Yeah, baby. Play this as best as I can. Oh, sa baba ang harana, marahil ikaw ay nagtataka. Yee! Sino ba tong mukhang gago? Nakagarap pa sa pagkanta at sintonado sa kaba. Meron pang dalang mga rosas, suot na may maong kupas. Anariyan pa ang barkada at kaya kumabaro sa'yo at daig pa. Minus one, sing along. Oh, my favorite part. Puno ang langit ang bituin at kalamig pa ang hangin. Sa iyong tingin ako'y nababaliw. Giliw at sa awitin kong ito, sana'y mabigyan mo. Bubuhos ko ang buong puso ko sa isang munting harana para sa'yo. Like it? Hindi ba parang isang sine, isang pelikula romantiko? Yee! Hindi pa ikaw ang bida artista, hanap ko ay nililiman sa istorya na wakas sa pag-ibig na wagas. Lumandangin ang bituin at kalamig pa ang hangin. Sa'yo'y tingin ako'y nababaliw. Galiw at sa pawing ko nito, sana'y mabigyan mo. Uubos ko ang buong puso ko sa isang munting harana para sa'yo. Yeah, boy.